Hello Capricorn, and welcome to your reading for the possibilities that are coming your way. Remember that this reading does not necessarily have any specific date on it. Whenever this message finds you, and whenever you find this message, then this reading will be for you at this given time. You are starting with the dominant energy of the drum roll. Wow, the 10 of Cups, you guys, what is going on here? A beautiful union about to manifest itself, embracing partnership, a joyful connection, a harmonious relationship that is about to create a lot of joy in your life. Beautiful. This is gorgeous energy here, okay? It's a very beautiful bond that is free from attachments, free from power, free from money or status. You know, nothing else matters but the connection itself. This is absolutely gorgeous, okay? This is beautiful energy. I do see that there's somebody here thinking about you long and hard. They go to bed at night, they wake up in the morning, they think about you a lot, okay? They're trying to manifest you. Somebody here is trying to manifest you. They want to communicate something. You're going to come into some kind of clarity. Look at this. You're turning up 2 aces in one reading already. What is going on here? The Ace of Pentacles along with the Ace of Swords. A lot of clarity coming in, communication, some kind of truthful energy, but also commitment, okay? Coming into a more solidified type of situation, whether this is work related, family related, career related, whatever it is, love related, it is solidifying itself right now. Whether you know it or not, it's working itself out in the background, okay? Now I do see here also the sign of Leo, the sign of Aries. What else do we have here? We have Pisces as well, okay? But whatever this is going to bring you a lot of joy. You're going to start feeling more loved, more appreciated, more comforted in this energy. Again, something is going to be brought to the light. The sun always brings some kind of hidden information to the light. However, I do see that this person, whoever this person is, you are dealing with a personality type that does not like to show emotion. They have a very kind of prideful type of streak. Maybe this person owns a business there. They kind of like to be in control of their emotions. They like to be in control of their thoughts. Again, this might be you. Take it as it resonates. Energies can be in the reverse, but whoever this person is, they don't like to show any vulnerability, okay? Now let's go ahead and see what exactly this 10 of Cups is, because here at the bottom of the deck, somebody here who walked away, they walked away feeling a sense of disappointing energy. They were disappointed in a connection. They were disappointed in a situation, but they do miss you, or you do miss this other person, whatever this is. This person misses how it used to be, that energy of what it could have been, that sort of thing, okay? Here with this 8 of Cups, this person is trying to come to a deeper understanding of what the situation means to them, okay? Let's go ahead and see what the 10 of Cups is for you. Wow, look at that. Somebody coming in offering you a gesture of love and opportunity. Wait till I show you guys what's at the bottom of the deck. My goodness. The Page of Cups here, okay? Let's start off with the Page of Cups. Somebody here coming in a little bit nervous, trying to offer you an apology. I'm sorry. I know I messed up. Will you forgive me? Can we rehash things? Can we work things out? You know, or it could be a brand new energy. This could be a brand new energy or the renewal of one. It's up to you. There's different groups of you guys, whatever the case may be. It's baby steps, okay? This person is taking little baby steps towards you. You might not see it as too much. Maybe this form of communication, it may not come across as too much, but underneath it all, there is a lot of hope, okay? However, I do see that there's still one person who's not opening up emotionally fully, okay? There's one person who is still closed off emotionally. You might notice this about this person might notice this about you, but there's still somebody here who is still not sure whether to open up emotionally or not. In fact, this is sort of becoming a little bit of a blockage this week, okay? However, here with this artist, there's gonna be an opportunity for you to flip that page over and start a brand new chapter. The artist here has already learned the lessons. They've already, gone to classes. They have the paintbrush here. They have the canvas here, the paints, everything is ready to go in order for him to just paint that new future and step right into it, okay? So whatever this is kind of telling you, you are ready for this. You are ready to take on a brand new venture with a person, with a situation, with a career-related situation, whatever it is that you're dealing with. You are ready. You don't have to, kind of do more research or, oh, I have to take another class. I'm not prepared yet. You are prepared. This is telling you you're ready, so go for it. At the bottom of the deck, you guys, you have here none other than the 2 of Cups, okay? So the 2 of Cups, a soulmate union, a twin flame connection, a very, very big energy coming in here for you, a very strong bond. Both of you guys recognize each other at a deeper soul level. This situation is growing, it's transforming, it's bettering itself. You guys are learning to embrace your fears and all of your doubts so that every situation in your life become some kind of learning experience. Both of you guys are gaining the knowledge that the physical world is teaching you and this other person, whether it's a family, a friend, a coworker, to help you transcend to a higher spiritual awareness. This is beautiful. We're going to be going into the extended reading to see who this other person is, because there's somebody here about to reveal some kind of truth, some kind of revelation, something here that you do not expect, okay? However, I do see that there's still somebody here lingering in the energy of having a little bit of a chip on their shoulder. They kind of don't really want to show too much emotion, but they do think about you a lot, okay? We're going to be going into the extended reading to see who that person is, but before we do that, let's jump into your question. So as I shuffle, you will be getting a yes or no answer to your question. So ask your question. However, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, go ahead and take the time right now to hit that subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell so that you are notified each and every single week that I post. I post each and every single week for every single zodiac sign. You guys, when you subscribe, it really helps me and it helps the algorithm so that I can continue posting more readings like these for you guys on this platform. Also, if you have not yet given this video a thumbs up, go ahead and take the time right now to give this video a thumbs up. Make sure to like and to subscribe. Thank you all so much for your support. Is this a yes or no? Ask your question. Let's get back into your question. Drum roll. That is a definite yes. My goodness. So if things have been a little bit slow in coming, if you've been waiting for results, you're like, okay, I've invested all this time, I've invested all this energy. Where are the results? They are coming, okay? And when they come, you better, hold on for dear life, because the momentum is going to be unstoppable. This Eight of Wands is unstoppable energy. So once things start moving in the right direction, it's going to be like, oh my God, can I just catch my breath? Okay, so take this time right now to really take a deep breath. If this is just kind of like the slow phase, okay, because things are about to be shaken up a little bit in the right direction. So it's a definite yes for you this week. Now let's go ahead and roll the dice. What does the dice have to say for this week? You have here none other than the sign of Leo as well as the number 3. So let's start off with the number 3, co-creative energy, creativity. This also represents collaboration, going out with other people, surrounding yourself with other people, networking, that sort of thing. So embrace that energy this week. And also here with the sign of Leo, be comfortable being in the limelight, because that is exactly where you belong this week. Being in the limelight, feeling loved, feeling comforted, getting attention, feeling comfortable in that energy flow of getting attention, getting the appreciation that you deserve, allowing yourself to feel loved, okay? It's not always about giving love, it's also about allowing love in. Okay, so that's what you have to work on this week. Allow love in, allow that energy to flow in, allow opportunities to flow in your direction. Let's go ahead and get one affirmation message for you. I will not worry about the things that I cannot control. So, as we know, you are very strategic. You like to strategize. You like to plan for the future, but that has a little bit of an element of control. However, this week it's reminding you there's no need for you to control. Detachment will serve you better this week. So worry over nothing and fear nothing. Truly let go this week. Let go of control, detach, and leave all of your past behind. There's an emotional here or material matter that you need to let go of. You will be adequately provided for. The universe always provides for you. It's just you believing in that, okay? So I will not worry about the things that I cannot control is your affirmation message for this week. Repeat that to yourself 10 times in the morning and 10 times before you go to bed at night so that it really sinks into your subconsciousness and you wake up with renewed energy. This is what I have for you. Thank you so much for watching. And if you'd like to watch the extended reading, the link to the extended is down in the description box below. In the extended reading, I go into the other person's subconsciousness, their deeper thoughts about you, their deeper feelings for you, their next actions, moves, and more. And thank you all so much for all of your positive feedback for the extended reading. I am so glad that you guys are loving the extended reading so much. So again, if you want to check out the link to the extended, the link is down in the description box below. And if you'd like a personal psychic reading, you can click on my special link that's down in the description box below. I've partnered with Psychic Source so you can receive 10 minutes for only $10 and an additional 3 minutes free. And for psychic phone call readings, make sure to use my special number 26489. Again, that's 26489 when you make the call so that you can receive your discount. I'm not a reader on Psychic Source. However, you can choose from any psychic or tarot reader that you'd like by checking out their ratings and reviews. You can either chat with them online via my direct link or choose a phone call and use my special code 26489 to receive your discount offer. And check out my new video on my new channel, Maya Sky, where I guide you in an affirmations meditation to manifest anything you want. The link to my new channel, Maya Sky, and the new video is down in the description box below. And remember that your monthly readings have all been posted on the channel. You can check out the links to all those readings for the entire month down in the description box below. And check out ginamoon.com and click on shop. I have new jewelry pieces, necklaces, rings, crystals, and much, much more for both men and women. Whether you seek protection from negative energies, want to manifest wealth and prosperity, or you desire to find true love, my Gina Moon online store has a perfect piece for you. It's the ultimate collection of spiritual jewelry designed to enhance your life and unlock the power of the universe. Each exquisite jewelry piece is handcrafted with love and infused with the positive energy of ancient wisdom. Wearing these pieces is like carrying your own personal sanctuary, offering you protection, attracting abundance, and inviting more love into your life. Imagine feeling a deep sense of peace as you go about your day, knowing that you are shielded, protected by the powerful energies of sacred gemstones. So experience the incredible transformation that comes with wearing these precious gems. Let its energy align with yours, empowering you to attract love, abundance, success, and more. So check out my online store at ginamoon.com and click on shop. The direct link is down in the description box below.